I want to fulfill my purpose, say a young woman who battles on despite heart condition.
Good day, I'm Abi-Gaye Smythe.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
From an early age, Abi-Gaye Smythe dreamed of becoming a dancer. However, this dream was shattered when she was diagnosed with arrhythmogenic right ventricular dysplasia, or ARVD. It is a rare condition that affects the right side of the heart. According to Smythe, her right valve is leaking and her heart is too big. As such, she's unable to do activities that require much movement. Smythe said that she was an active person when she was younger, but she was experiencing chest pain. The first test I did was a treadmill stress test, and right after the doctor told me that I may have the same condition that killed my mom in 2002. From early 2011 to 2012, I had to be at the hospital every week, she said. School was not the same for Smythe, and she was placed on academic probation at the Northern Caribbean University, NCU, due to low grades. She said that she had to sit out almost 4 semesters due to ill health. Smythe had to do multiple surgeries. Her first was in 2012, where an implantable cardioverter defibrillator, or ICD, was placed in her heart to help regulate it. The day after I did my first surgery, my lungs collapsed and I had to do another surgery to flush my body of the excess water. 2 weeks after that, I got shocked by the device and it was so painful. It felt like a horse was kicking me in the chest, she said. She had to do another surgery in October of 2012 because her body was rejecting the device. It was tearing my skin to come out. In March 2013, I got shocked again by the device. After the shocks, I had to be hospitalized because the pains were so intense, she said. After that, in 2015, the battery got loose and migrated to my breast. In June of 2018, they had to lift it out of my breast because it was causing swelling. 2 weeks after, I felt a sharp pain and they realized that part of the mesh that was used to wrap the battery to keep it in place was tearing away my skin, so I had to do a surgery to fix it. Through it all, Smythe said she has remained motivated because of family support, and I get my strength from fear because I don't want to die young and not fulfill my purpose. She admitted that she had contemplated suicide, but said she believed that God would not give her more than she could bear. Through family support and sheer determination, Smythe completed her studies. She now works at the cable news station JNN, but she's not cured. If she gets too excited, the ICD can still act up. Since speaking about her hardship on social media, she said people have responded, telling her about their issues. She said that she feels really blessed that she's able to reach out to people. You have to find a purpose in your pain, and no matter how broken and damaged you are, there's something in you that will be a ray of hope to others, she said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.